Good morning. Let's take a look at the Mexican peso. This is a market that I've identified that is potentially set up for longs this week. This flies in the face of the other currencies, which pretty much all of the major currencies are set up for sells. But the Mexican peso here I've identified as a market that's potentially set up for a long. So basically, let's dive into why I think this market is set up. So I always start with the commitment of traders index. So relative to their positioning in the last half year in the 26 months, the commercials are very long right now. So we got a buy signal from the commitment of traders commercial index. So that's the first thing I look at. Secondly, I'm going to look at the overall open interest. So down here, this is open interest. So we see in this down move, open interest has been decreasing. See, open interest is also very low, or an extreme low relative to the last year. Typically at bottoms, we see low open interest. What this means is just the general public and the large speculators, like they're out of this market. They're not interested. But what we do see is the commitment, or the commercials have been buying this whole down move that's happened since May, that started in May. They've been buying this whole dip quite aggressively. So when the general public is not interested, but we see the commercials are interested, we want to be watching this for a long. We also see some relative extreme positioning from the commercials. We see the last time they were this long was in November of 2023, and that long positioning led to this huge move up. So they're not relatively long compared to these spots back here, but overall, relative long positioning compared to the last year, that is bullish. So basically, we also have, I'll go back to my valuation measure here. The Mexican peso is undervalued relative to Treasuries, and it's also undervalued relative to the price of gold. So that is bullish. We also have the stochastic is oversold. That is bullish. I'm going to go back, and we do have some other supporting reasons to go long. So the small speculators are very short this market right now. So generally they get really short at the wrong time and really long at the wrong time. So we want to fade this crowd. We also see their overall net positioning down here. These guys are more short than the last time they were this short was back in December of 2021. So extreme short positioning from the small speculators is a pretty strong sign that we could see a significant rally in the Mexican peso. So those are the main indicators that I look at. We do have some support from our supplementary indicators. So we have divergence with price, open interest, and volume. Price is not making a lower low, while POIV is. We also see accumulation distribution indicator divergence. That's bullish. We see the percent R giving a buy signal. And so those are the supplementary indicators that are giving us buy signals. So basically, just to be clear, this market is fundamentally set up for a long, but it does not mean to long on the open on Sunday. It means that I'll be waiting to see a confirmed trend change on the daily to the upside to get involved in this market. If you have any questions about this commitment to trader strategy, feel free to shoot me a message, and I'll keep you updated on how this trade is shaping up. And until then, good luck and good trading.